The visibility tree is a powerful tool that can be used to view the order of operations and to modify geometry. I will be operating on these two surfaces as an example. Plane 1 is the bottom plane. The rock face is the wall. For the first operation, I will be translating the bottom plane up to intersect with the wall. So in the tree, you can see that plane 1 has become plane 1 prime. I can click the black arrow beside it to expand the tree and view the order of operations. So you can see that plane 1 prime came from the transformation of the original plane 1. Now for the next operation, I'm going to merge plane 1 prime with the rock face. So in the tree now, you see only one entity, and that's because the two surfaces were merged into one. Let me expand the tree again. You can see that this merge entity came from the merge operation performed on the rock face and plane 1 prime. I can also use this tree to delete specific entities and to undo operations. So for example, if I click delete next to the merge entity, I would be deleting that entity as well as undoing the merge. So I'm left with the rock face and plane 1 prime, which came before the merge. Let me undo to get back the merge and expand the tree again. If I click delete right next to the rock face, I would be deleting the rock face and any operation that was done after it, or any of the operations that are shown at a tree level above that of the rock face, meaning I would be left with just plane 1 prime. Let me go back, expand the tree again. Now, if I were to delete plane 1 prime, I would be deleting plane 1 prime, obviously. However, because plane 1 came before plane 1 prime, it's at a tree level below that of plane 1 prime. So plane 1 would not be deleted. Rock would also not be deleted because it's at the same level as plane 1 prime. The merge would be deleted because it's at a tree level above plane 1 prime, which means if I delete plane 1 prime, I would be left with plane 1 and the rock face. And this concludes the video on using the visibility tree as a tool for viewing order of operations and for modifying geometry.